Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to merge accounts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To merge duplicate accounts in Salesforce, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Salesforce app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the Accounts tab, click on the app launcher, which is a grid icon, and search for accounts if you don't see the tab. Then use a list view, not recently view, and enter a keyword or name to bring up duplicate records. Then check the boxes next to up to 3 accounts. Then click Merge Accounts button that appears above the list. Then Salesforce will show you a side-by-side comparison. Select the fields you want to keep for each record, and then the primary account will be the one that survives after the merge. Then you may be asked to confirm the action. Simply tap on confirm to accounts to be merged. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.